Good morning. My name is Jacob Pruitt. I'm a prosecutor with Smith County Commonwealth Attorney's Office. Can you state your name for the record?
Jaden Smith.
Mr. Smith, where do you work?
I work for the Smith County Sheriff's Office.
How old are you? Objection. Relevance. Sustained. How many homicides have you worked for Smith County Sheriff's Office?
4.
Why are you here today?
I'm here about a murder confession that I received during a traffic stop.
And to be clear, what do you do for Smith County Sheriff's Office?
I'm a sergeant, and typically I work in 12-hour shifts.
So on the night of January 10th, 1983, you were working per your report. Where were you patrolling?
I was patrolling on Lee Highway.
And you conducted a traffic stop that night. Is the person in this room? Objection. Leading the witness. Sustained. I'll rephrase, Your Honor. Who did you pull over?
Clem Tuggle.
Why'd you pull over Mr. Tuggle?
He had a headlight out and was also speeding.
Did he pull over when you got behind him? Objection. Leading the witness. Sustained. What did Mr. Tuggle do when you got behind him?
He pulled to the side of the road and cut his engine off.
When you walked up to the car and made contact with him, what was his demeanor?
He was calm and he was following orders.
Did he say anything? Objection. Leading. What did he say to you?
He said, "I'm Clem Tuggle, and I knew I was going to get arrested at some point."
Did he say what he meant by that? Objection. Leading. What did he mean by that statement?
He told me that he had murdered Jessie Blevins and left her in a creek.
Did he give a reason why he murdered Jessie Blevins? Objection. Leading. Sustained. What reason did he give for murdering Miss Blevins?
He said they had been at the wagon wheel and they were both drinking and had left and got into an argument and he shot her.
In your own estimate, about how long was it between that traffic stop and the murder? Objection. Speculation. Sustained. No further questions, Your Honor. The defense may cross-examine the witness. Officer Smith, in my hand here I have your report. And in your report, you said that you were pulling Clem Tuggle over for speeding and a broken taillight.
Yes, that's correct.
What was causing him to speed, in your opinion? Objection. Speculation. Sustained. What was running through your head when you were behind him on the interstate getting ready to pull him over?
I figured it would just be a routine traffic stop, and at most it'd be a DUI, and at minimum, just speeding ticket.
When you got up to the vehicle and made contact with the defendant, did you observe anything that suggested he was intoxicated?
Well, he admitted to the murder of Jessie Blevins and also being intoxicated.
And intoxicated at that point in time?
Correct.
So, when did you read him his rights?
I didn't.
You did place him under arrest, right?
Yes, correct.
So, at what point did you read him his rights after he was arrested?
I didn't.
Why did you not read him his rights?
I was caught off guard and forgot.
So, you're sitting here testifying under oath that you forgot. Do you really expect us to believe that an officer of the law forgot to Mirandize a person they were about to arrest. Objection. Argumentative. So you arrested him without reading him his rights. Then what happened?
I searched the vehicle.
What did you find in the vehicle?
I found 3 bottles of liquor and a gun.
Was the gun loaded?
Yes, but 2 shells had been fired.
And for the record, can you tell us what kind of establishment the Wagon Wheel is?
It's a bar people go to hang out, dance, drink.
So, in this report here, you had made note that during his confession, he admitted to drinking with Jesse Blevins prior to leaving the Wagon Wheel.
Correct.
And all this took place before they got into the argument that resulted in her murder.
Correct.
You had also made note that you smelled alcohol on his breath when you approached the vehicle and he rolled down the window.
Yes, that's correct.
You also made note of the empty bottles that was in the passenger seat of the car
Yes.
that you testified to earlier.
Yes, that's correct.
So, based on all of these findings, would you agree that you believed that he was intoxicated at that point? Officer Smith, do you agree that you believed he was intoxicated at that traffic stop?
Yes.